Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here at an exciting opportunity in La Costa on Ballena. Beautiful 2-bedroom corner unit. You're up at the top so you get the vaulted ceilings. And this particular unit has been renovated throughout. Beautiful kitchen. They actually reduced the height down to counter height, granite counters, custom wood cabinetry, pull-outs, soft close, stuff you'd see in $1 million kitchen. Beautiful bathroom, renovated walk-in shower, great separation of the bedrooms. It's kind of like 2 masters on either side, and then a big great room in the middle. Beautiful sunny deck here. There's great parking, walk to schools, minutes to shops, Trader Joe's down the street, local parks. So we want to encourage you, give us a call. We want to talk about this property, 760-438-0800, or visit us at LundTeam.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.